Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this button, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter pairing mode automatically. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side of it, we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed. Here we go. And now we enter pairing mode manually, so we can see it at the device list. Now click connect. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!